How to kill time like a pro, mastering English idioms. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or maybe read in books: kill time. Have you ever wondered what it means to kill time? Or how you can use this phrase in your everyday conversation? Well, you're in luck because we're about to unravel the mystery behind this popular English idiom. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. When we say, kill time, we're not talking about anything violent. Kill time is an idiomatic expression that means to engage in an activity, often a leisure one, to make time pass more quickly when one is waiting for something else to happen or simply has nothing better to do. The phrase, kill time, has a history that might be just as interesting as the activities you do to accomplish it. Although we won't delve into a full history lesson here, it's thought to stem from the idea of killing as a way to consume or use up something. Over time, it became associated with making slow time seem faster by being occupied with some task or entertainment. Now let's put kill time into action. Here are a few examples. I had an hour to spare before the train departed, so I killed time by reading a book. The flight was delayed, so we played cards to kill time. Notice that the phrase is often used when the speaker has an excess of time and wants to make it pass quickly by doing something relatively unimportant or relaxing. It's important to note that kill time is informal and typically not used in professional or formal settings. For example, you wouldn't say you're killing time in a job interview or a serious business meeting. It's a phrase best used in casual situations among friends or in relaxed environments. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, kill time, and how to use it in your everyday English. Remember, idioms are a fun way to spice up your language and sound more like a native speaker. They can be your best friend when it comes to expressing ideas in a more colorful and relatable way. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll be killing time with the best of them in no time. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious.